Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox t-shirts. First, open Roblox Studio and head to the Create tab. You'll need a Roblox Premium subscription or at least 10 Robux to upload your design. Make sure you have your preferred image editing software, like Photoshop or GIMP, ready to create your custom graphic. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design process. Now, let's design your t-shirt graphic. Open your image editor and create a new file with precise dimensions of 128 pixels by 128 pixels. This small canvas is perfect for Roblox t-shirts. Remember to use a transparent background for a professional finish. Once your design is complete, save it as a PNG file to preserve its quality and transparency. With your design ready, it's time to upload it to Roblox. Navigate to the Create section on the Roblox website and select T-shirts from the menu. Click the Choose File button and locate your saved PNG design. Give your T-shirt a clear and descriptive name, then simply click Upload. Your custom T-shirt will then be available in your inventory. Congratulations, your T-shirt is now on Roblox. You can find it in your inventory under the T-shirts category. To wear it, simply go to your avatar editor and equip it. If you'd like to share your creativity and earn some Robux, you can set a price for your t-shirt and sell it to other players on the Roblox marketplace. It's a fantastic way to showcase your unique style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.